Hi, this is Sophie Andrell. If you're like me, you do a lot of posts and they come into your LinkedIn page and you're a member of all these different groups and you're thinking, geez, I don't have time to go to the individual groups and post some of these because I know these groups would be interested in some of my information. So here's what you do. When you post something, I mean, I post a ton of different things, but not all of these I think each group would be interested in. But sometimes I'll post something that I believe a group would be very interested in. So what do? You simply click on what you've posted. How do you post in the first place on LinkedIn? When you're on LinkedIn, first of all, you end up on your home page. You simply attach a link here and put in what you want to say about it. You click on share, and it'll end up on your activities list, so anyone following you will see what you've just shared. So now what you can do is you can go to one of these older posts that you've shared, and you can indicate from this side panel of everything that you've posted in the past. You could say, you know what, let's share this to some of the groups. I think they'll find this very interesting. So you can click on share, and then you can click on post to groups. So you can basically start posting to groups. So you can say, let's say Hamilton Chamber of Commerce, I'd like to post it to Oakville Chamber of Commerce, to Richmond Hill Chamber of Commerce, maybe to the Executive Ontario. It'll come up with the groups of the names of the groups that you belong to already, and it'll list them for you. So I'd like to share this important article that I think they'd be interested in, and so I'm going to share this, and so I'm going to say the interesting video on how important clout will be in the future. How important your clout will be in the future. I'll be expanding on this at the Executive Chamber Conference on November 9th. See you then. So I'm going to post that. It's automatically going to go to all these different groups that I'm a part of. I could send to individuals as well. I just want to show you how to send them to the groups that you're already a member of. Click on share, and voila, they go to these groups. So it's pretty exciting. You may want to check your spelling. I often have that issue. So now what happens is when you go to these groups, I just posted something to this group, to Economic Development, a second ago, and you can see it right here. It shows that I started a new discussion, interesting new stats. 43% of the world population is under the age of 25. If I go to see all my groups, obviously I don't have time, and neither do you, to go into all your individual groups and post information, but once in a while you'll know, this article that I've just posted would be fantastic in this one group. So you'll go in here and you'll say, interesting video on how important your clout will be in the future. And so there's the discussion that I've just put into this group, and I'll be explaining this at the Executive Chamber Conference on November 9th. See you then. And there you go. It's part of the group. So it's that simple. I hope you found this interesting, and I hope you find it useful.